One issue that I'm starting to deal with living off-grid in the high desert is the amount of storage that I have. I've built one shop a long time ago and I'm running out of space. I really do need to build another shed, but right now I'm not an affiliate, but I'm going to put a link below for the FLEXIMOUNTS GL1. It's a storage rack that lifts. So you can put it in a 4x4 space. It's made for garages and sheds and whatnot that are under 9 feet tall. You can go higher, but it won't lower all the way to the ground if that's what you have to do. So I think that I'm going to set mine up here. Then I'll be able to move all of my food supplies because it'll hold up to 300 pounds. I've got a couple 100 pounds of flour and other things over here, and I'll be able to place them on the stand and then lift them up out of the way. And when I need food products, which isn't that often, you know, food storage, I can just lower it down, grab what I need, and that'll open up a lot of space so that I can put things that I actually do need to get to on the shelves. I'm going to clean up this space right here and make use of the roof of my shop here. FLEXIMOUNTS is a US company dedicated to providing effortless storage and organizing solutions for garage and home. Their products are highly rated on Amazon, with their classic garage racks being best sellers, trusted by many for their quality and innovation. Their double rope and pressure rivet design is to blame for the safety and stability of this rack. Opening up this space, this is absolutely huge. I didn't think 4x4 would be that big of a space. But look, I've almost opened up 3 shelves for about 4 to 5 feet of length. This is so much more space available in my shop now. So having this lift is really going to change things. I really don't get into the food storage stuff that much. And so the fact that I can just lift all the food storage stuff up there, that's all that's on there. I know that whatever's on there is food storage stuff. And then stuff that I really do need to get to more often, I can throw up on these 3 shelves here now. And I can even start to go through and maybe pull out some things I don't need anymore and make more room for myself. And I'm building a cabin here on the homestead, so that's going to help. So of course I'll be able to put clothes and all kinds of stuff in the cabin, food items, things that go in the cabin. And then, you know, down the road, I'll probably build another shelf. And if you didn't notice already, you see these were just scrap material shelves, just scrap I got, made some shelves out of them. All of these other shelves that I use for my herbal tea business, these are also FLEXIMOUNT shelving. And so they're a really good option. I've had them for years, and I'm happy to add this addition to the homestead. And like I said, I'm not an affiliate, but you can check out the link down below if you want to get one of those. Maybe you could even put something like that to use in your tiny home. You know, in my cabin here, I have the living room, the kitchen, there's a bedroom, and there's an open area up there. Imagine all the things that you could hoist up there and store. So I'm all about saving space on my tiny cabin and in my shed and shop and everywhere else that I can. So hopefully that helps. Check it out, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.